it.
That's a girl.
Oh, you got
Quinn,
one.
you got it.
Look it, you got one. No, leave it there. That's yours. You leave it there. Okay, ready? Uncle Stuart hits one in. Come on. Make your hungry hippo go. Make your hungry hippo go.
You're not going to go down from there, are you? Push.
Oh, I got it.
Okay. I have to call her next week.
Okay, make your hungry hippo go. Make your hungry hippo go.
Oh, who's gonna get it? Oh, Quinn got it again.
Quinn got a second one.
Where is it?
It's okay. No, leave it. Leave it. No, Quinn. No.
Okay,
here comes another one. All right, get it.
Oh, you almost had it, Quinn. He spat it out.
Oh, Stuart got it. Okay, here comes another one.
You guys don't know how badly I want to get in there.
Get it. Oh, you got it. Okay, I'm Stuart for another ball. Yay. Okay, here we go. Make your hungry hippo. Oh,
Quinn, you're kicking butt, girl. Good girl. Oh, Aunt Allison got it.
Okay, get on your hippo. You ready?
Come on.
Oh, okay, get on it. Ready? Okay. That guy got it. Okay, hit a button. Okay, here we go, Quinn.
Oh, we got 3.
Get your hippo. Alright, you ready, Quinn? Ready on your hippo? Get the marble.
Oh, hippos are hungry.
Eat it. Oh, Mr. got it. Here we go. Again, go, Quinn. Go. Alright,
Allison, you can't get mad. It's like,
okay, get it, Quinn. Make your hungry hippo. Alright.
yay, Quinn got one.
Okay, alright, go for it, Quinn. Get your hungry hippo.
Yay, Quinn got it.
Okay, get your hungry hippo. Hungry hippo.
Hey, get him.
Alright, how many?
Who won?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 5.
I've got 5 and 4.
Quinn,
Quinn's
you
the
win!
winner.
You win!
Yay! Good girl.
Okay, so what do you do with the? Where do these go? You put them in the little things. So you gotta set it up. Yeah, that's right. Fill them up. Fill them up. Yeah, fill them up.
Does Mommy want to get in and play?
Yep.
Does Mommy want to get in and play while Uncle Stuart takes a video?
Okay, where do these go?
And then we just have to turn the key.
Letting her set this up here. See how well she follows directions.
Not yet, not yet. Where's the last marble?
Where is it?
Where'd he go?
Here, Quinn. It's in his tummy.
He's got a computer.